My mom always said I'd be a failure, but I didn't think I'd be this big of a failure. But Teacher Cisco still has to eat. So let's get this over with. I hate my life and every part about it. Everything I eat tastes like mayo. Have you ever had a smoothie? Of course not, because mommy and daddy say smoothies are too cold for you. But imagine a smoothie and it tastes like mayo. It makes you want to jump off a bridge. Alright kids, it's time for show and tell. Our first submission is from James Cameron, and he must have been in quarantine for too long because someone didn't tell him that Christmas is over. He submitted his M4 completely wrapped in Christmas lights. His suppressor is a toilet roll. And then I think he either made antlers or fake night vision goggles.
Bruh.
Yeah, you get a sack of coal. Our next submission is from 27 Inc. and they submit their Airsoft, but smaller. He removed the PDW stock and decided to put a magazine pouch to hold the battery. And then he added a bunch of different accessories to make it more usable. But did you know for the same amount of money you spent on that, you could have bought an MP7? But those are for the smart kids. But you get an A for effort. Yay! Our next submission is from D. Seversky, and he submits his M4 Riz, but he butchered it. He sawed off the triangle sight so you can't aim. However, he did put a fake ACOG on there. Unfortunately, this gun is still front wired, so instead of actually going inside and rewiring it through the internals, he just took the wire from the front and moved it all the way to the back.
Bruh.
But he also has an LE stock, so he must duct tape the battery each time he wants to use it. One moment. Every last drop counts. Our next submission is from Tiger Tactical GU. Wow, what a very special name. Mommy and daddy must love you very much. It's like when they decide to give a boy a girl's name. How very special. Anyways, Tiger Tactical decides to submit his old G&G fighting cap with a little bit of accessories. And it makes sense for what he's using it for. CQB, obviously. But he decided to take a mechanical pencil and draw on his receiver. And he has these Chinese characters. But you didn't know that I can read Chinese. This says ketchup, mustard, hot dog, sauerkraut. Is this your grandma's famous glizzy recipe? You get a star. Wow, Tiger, that's very neat handwriting. But remember, no writing on the desks. Our next submission is from Bossboy. Wow, you're a real boss. This picture's a little confusing because it looks like he has an SR-16 that's pretty mayo. But I see the dye mask on the side there, so it makes me question, is he an imposter? Uh-oh, class, we might have to vote him out.
Such a dead meme.
I'm dead. Our next submission is from AsianSpeedSoft. I know you meant SpeedSoft, but he spells Asian as AZN. Do you hear that? 2003 is calling and they want their yellow Honda Civic back. Anyways, he submits not even an airsoft gun. It's an MP5 frame, an MP5 mag, and an AirP9 stock. What's the point of even submitting? What's the point of even coming to this class? Huh? This is no effort at all. Seriously, do the world a favor, do the internet a favor, and just jump off a cliff, because the internet will be a much better place without you. Our next submission is from a super fan. His name is Mayo Gang 18, and his icon is our Mayo Gang patch. Thank you. 18, you must be just old enough to have bought your gun. But it's good that you didn't buy heresy. He submits his duotone Mark 18. I'm not sure what I want in life anymore. Because when people submit their disgusting cursed builds, I'm angry. But when people submit nice builds, I'm also equally angry. But this isn't just Whole Foods mayo. This is more of like 99-cent store mayo. So go home, put this back in the cupboard, and don't ever come out. Our next submission is from Offensive Offense. Now, we can't be too offensive, because police officer Zuck will come after you.
I'm making meats now. Smoking these meats here.
He submits his self-dubbed Mac at Night. This Mac 11 has been accessorized with M4A1 furniture. The carrying handle, the clamshell, the LE stock. How do you even charge this gun to fire it? Just because you can do it in Warzone doesn't mean you can do it in Airsoft. Now go home, go play Warzone. They're gonna nerf the Mac anyways. And I can't spank you myself, so I'll be giving mommy a call, and she's gonna spank you real good.
Enjoy.
Our next submission is from Richtar, and what is this? Someone that actually cares about the assignment? I don't know what to say. Richtar submits his clean and simple SMC9. There's some accessories that make it functional, but it's not overly done. It's not painted some crazy weird color. It's nice. Okay, you get to go outside and have recess for the rest of the day. Everyone else, be more like Richtar, a good boy. Our last submission of the day . These pills don't even.
Bruh.
I think I chipped a tooth. Boaz, more happy juice.
Okay, man, you've already had
More happy juice.
Alright, fine, jeez.
Our last submission of the day is from Sneaky Guppy. He's sneaky, alright, because he's trying to pass off this paintball gun as an airsoft gun. Oh, I don't care if you have a magazine in there. I've seen mag-fed paintball guns before. This is atrocious. It's an insult to the airsoft society. You deserve nothing. Where's my happy juice?
It's coming, yeah.
Boy, this is okay! Okay, kids. The most cursed build of the day goes to AsianSpeedSoft, because paintball guns aren't allowed in this class. And the best build of the day goes to nobody. But the most Mayo build of the day goes to Mayo Gang 18. Now kids, don't be angry. Being normal is good sometimes. We want to be normal in this class. Being normal is how you make friends. Okay, kids. Class is dismissed. I'll see you next week. Boaz, where's the happy juice? You said there would be happy juice here.
All right, man, that's enough.
I need more.
No, you can't just keep drinking like that, man. Give me the bottle. Give me the bottle.
Fill it.
No, you're not having
Fill it.
No, you're not having. That's enough.